Let's get started. Today's video, I'm making chicken salad. You will need celery, green onions, rotisserie chicken that I had left over, or any chicken that you actually use, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, Cajun spice, and ground red pepper flakes. Stay tuned for the video. The first thing I'll do is I'll slice up one of the green onions. Now I'm going to do this with a lot of them. I might not put them all in the chicken salad, but I just slice them up. I'll be back after I'm done. As you can see, I chopped up the green onion. Now I'm on to the celery. And I cut slits down like this, then cut it the other way. That's all you got to do for the celery. I'll be back after it's done. Now all I'm going to be doing is grinding this chicken. I just shove it in and grind it. It's the same like the meat pie, but it's chicken this time. And just grind it all up. Just make sure to watch out for your fingers. I'm doing it until it comes out the front. I'll switch the view so you can see. As you can see, I'm grinding the chicken just like I did with the meat pie. You just grind it all up. And if you want to grind up the green onions too, you could. I might do it this time. That way I'll clean the thing. Just put these in there and grind them up. You can hear them going through it now too. I'll be back when everything gets done. You can see the green onions starting to come through now. So it helps clean out the machine. See, I learned something from one of our community members. So I got the green onions through it. Now we'll start combining it. Be back in a few. Now what I'm going to do is add the celery and mix it up. You already have the green onion in there. The reason why you can chop up the green onion, because you might have some family members that don't like onions and you want it in the food and they're not allergic to it, so you want to hide it on them. That's the way to do it. Grind it up so they can't tell. And I got the celery in there. I'll add a little bit more. I like it crunchy. So after I do that, now I'm going to add the mayonnaise and my spices. Remember, this recipe, there's really no recipe to it. You go by how much you like. It's just dump this in, dump that in. That type of recipe. I put like 3 tablespoons mayo in there. Let me mix it up. After it's mixed, I'll be back. I just added another tablespoon of mayonnaise because I like it nice and creamy. Oh, yeah, it's better now. Now comes the spices. First off, I'm going to put Cajun spice in, and I'm just guessing right now. I'm putting a teaspoon in because I want it Cajun-y. And since I'm a wimp with the cayenne pepper, I'm just going to do an 1/8 teaspoon cayenne. I'm just going to grind in some pepper. I really don't measure it. put a sprinkle of salt in there because I don't like it too salty. And yes, that's pink Himalayan salt. Excuse me, I got black pepper up my nose. And now I'm going to do the red pepper flakes. I just do a pinch. Alright, mix it all up. Then you taste it. After I get it mixed up, I'll be back. I mixed it in and tasted it. It needs a little bit more. So instead of just 1 teaspoon of the Cajun, I'll put another ½ teaspoon in. So 1½ total. Since it's not too hot, I'll just do a sprinkle. Well, no, I'll do a pinch. And that was cayenne pepper. And I'm good with the red pepper flakes. So now we'll just mix this up real good. You can see it's spicy because it changed from the pale color to a reddish tint. See? That's what it looks like. I'll give you a different angle. That is what it looks like when it's done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. Have a good day.